really the people. I fell in love with it the instant I stepped through the door.
Parks has taught me how to learn, how to think, how to solve problems.
The industry is saturated with successful Parks grads, and it should be.
If you have a passion, this is the place to come.
Take hold of the opportunities, because there's a lot of opportunities here. You can study abroad, you can do research, you can work on fun aircraft projects, you can build rockets, you can have friends across the campus, you can go flying, you could do whatever you want.
I learned everything that I need to know about the future in engineering. I feel that I have a very good base of knowledge going out into the world.
I was looking around at aerospace engineering programs, heard that St. Louis University had a really good program.
The combination of academics along with aviation is definitely what pushed me towards Parks.
I really like the physics program here. I may have been small, but that also meant that I have teachers that I could deal with one-on-one, and there's some really good professors here.
Biomedical engineering is very, very important to improving the quality of life. I really wanted to be in a field where people's whole well-being can be improved.
My major is computer engineer, and I like robotics, so I mainly work with robots all the time, during my free time, during my class time.
I'm just following my dreams here.
You can work in a lab starting sophomore year. That's what I did. It's really helpful because by the end of my junior year, I'll have presented at 2 national conferences, 2 local symposiums, and I've written a grant and been approved.
We really need to find other ways to power things such as homes and cars. Wanting to do something green and something good for the environment was a big concern of ours. We just decided to go with it for our senior design project. We're making our wind turbine compact.
With my research, we're evaluating software that isn't commercially available yet, which is phenomenal, you know. Where else could I do that?
The teachers all take personal interest in your learning process.
It's really close-knit here. They know your needs, they know your strengths, your weaknesses.
All of them are really amazing. They've all done amazing things, and to be able to work one-on-one with them is really fun.
Parks is definitely a place that you can get hands-on and theoretical understanding.
The hands-on experiences are without a doubt the most exciting part of being an engineer. And right now we're working on an airplane that's got an 11.5-foot wingspan. So it's a really wholesome process where you learn how to incorporate a lot of the concepts that you learn in class and apply it to a real-life situation just on a smaller scale.
I am a part of the race team. Hopefully in the next couple years I'll become a TA, a teacher's assistant, for the professors here at Parks. I love it here. You know, I want to stay here. I want to keep working within a school that I'm going to be involved in for the rest of my 4 years.
We won the idea to product competitions. You know, I got to take my senior design project that we work so hard on and just kind of apply it. And next thing you know, we're taking home medals and money. I mean, that feels great.
Parks is real proactive with getting everybody outside world experience before you graduate.
In finding my internship, I used the career services planning. I was a flight test engineer for the Boeing company. I worked on the F-15.
Actually, I did my first internship last summer with GE Aviation in Cincinnati. It was really cool because it was a crossroads of mechanical engineering and electrical engineering.
By the end of it, I was actually more proficient at the modeling system than most of the people that worked there.
I did an internship with American Airlines and American Eagle in Dallas, Texas, and I had a phenomenal time. I made a lot of great connections.
Working on the International Space Station was a lot of fun. It really fulfills some of my childhood dreams.
You go to a lot of the big engineering firms in the country and you'll run into Parks grads.
I was able to receive a job offer from Boeing. And since the actual job is located in Maryland, Boeing will pay for my relocation expenses as well as my last year of college.
Parks College trains leaders.
It's hard to go someplace in industry without bumping into a Parks student.
Parks College is known throughout the world.
There's this small group of very motivated, very highly trained individuals out there who have one thing in common, and that thing is that they all came from Parks College. I know one thing that I'm going to take away from SLU. I'm going to take away about 10,000 photographs that I've taken.
Never really realized what a Billiken was, so to speak, until I came here. It's so much fun. There's so many things going on. I love it here. It's pretty much the time of my life.
As unique as the Billiken is, that's how unique I think my experience has been here, where I think the Billiken really does stand for that individual, unique experience you get out of parks. It's 1 in a million. I love it.